According to space.com, our known universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. It's theorized that a titanic explosion called the Big Bang expanded the universe in every direction. Scientists more or less came to this 13.8 billion year figure by studying the oldest objects in the universe and by measuring how it's expanding. Flying through space in an outer arm of the Milky Way galaxy is our solar system, and it's theorized to be roughly 4.5 billion years old. But how did we get here? Well, the theory known as panspermia is the hypothesis that life exists throughout the universe, distributed by space dust, meteoroids, comets, planetoids, asteroids, and possibly by spacecraft, carrying unintended contamination by microorganisms. According to Wikipedia, quote, "The earliest time that life forms first appeared on Earth is at least 3.77 billion years ago, possibly as early as 4.28 billion years. The earliest direct evidence of life on Earth are microfossils of microorganisms permineralized in 3.46 billion year old Australian apex chert rocks." End quote. See, life was made in Australia. According to Darwinian theory, these life forms evolved and adapted as they began to leave the oceans for the land. But around 200,000 years ago, something really bizarre ended up happening. Us, modern anatomical humans. It seems we appeared without warning, and we did things that would vastly separate us from lower level primates Charles Darwin believed we evolved from. Let me tell you why I think it's bizarre. The archetype-crushing book, The Origin of Species, written by Charles Darwin over 150 years ago, proposed a scientific explanation of how complex life morphed over the epochs of time, from primitive cells into the complex life forms we see today. Darwin believed his observations of specific life forms in some areas of the world he travelled applied to all life, including humans. You can read more about Charles Darwin at the National Geographic website, in which I've inserted a link in the description. Let's have a look at the definition of the word theory. Theory: a supposition or a system of ideas intended to explain something, especially one based on general principles independent of the thing to be explained. Darwin's theory of evolution. I swear I didn't make that last part up. It actually references Darwin's theory of evolution. Nothing can stop the truth from surfacing, as recent discoveries are revealing facts that challenge long-standing scientific beliefs, especially when it comes to human evolution. Here's what I discovered. The current human evolutionary tree. You know, the one found at your local museum, connecting each fossil all the way up, leading to the modern humans at the top of the tree? Well, this is actually not based on any evidence. Such relationships are believed to exist. However, they are yet to be proven. More accurately, they can be considered speculative. Approximately 200,000 years ago, modern humans arose with advanced features, signaling them out from all other known forms of developed life. Ancient Neanderthals were proposed to be some of the ancestors of early humans, whose DNA is similar to ours, yet lack other common DNA. This implies we didn't originally descend from Neanderthals, even if we interbred with them at some point in time. Please see the link in the description to learn more about Neanderthals. With developed genome analysis, it was shown that the DNA that sets us apart from other primates is a result of an ancient, mystifying, and explicit fusion of genes, suggesting forces beyond the parameters of evolution made this all possible. There is no evidence suggesting these advanced features develop slowly over long periods of time, as Darwin's theory suggests. Unique characteristics like a larger brain, an advanced voice box, an elaborate nervous system, elevated emotional and sensory abilities completely outperform that of our nearest primate relatives. The remarkable thing is, these fine-tuned attributes already existed in modern humans when they appeared 200,000 years ago. And humans haven't changed anatomically up to this very day. What makes us unique amidst all the other life forms on this planet? Well, the smoking gun lies in one of our chromosomes. Definition of chromosome: a thread-like structure of nucleic acids and protein found in the nucleus of most living cells, carrying genetic information in the form of genes. A fascinating discovery was presented in the Genome Research Journal in regards to the fusion of chromosome 2, which under further inspection seems to have been edited. It seems as if it had been cut and pasted using some type of futuristic software. Is this some random chance of evolution? Or is it the result of some type of ancient design? Either way, it's controversial. I've provided a link to this chromosome 2 research in the description. Just so you know, these facts are not from some Facebook page or random website. All these facts are based on peer-reviewed science journals within the established scientific community. Don't take my word for it. This is all just the tip of the iceberg. You'll be dumbfounded at what other important facts surround our true origins. These recent discoveries do not support the conventional narrative of the past that we've been taught.